Hi guys, so welcome to the YouTube channel Marketing Revealed. So today we are going to see about how to create a Facebook page, business page for your business. So this is a simple step. I'm going to show you step by step of how to creating the Facebook business page for your business. So let's not waste time and jump into how to create a business page. So first of all, you should have a Facebook account in order to create a Facebook business page. So I have created an account for myself. So after creating a Facebook account, so you need to go to pages, and then you need to click create new page. So page name is nothing but the name of the business kept for your business. For demo purpose, I'm going to keep this as demo. Okay. And yeah, advertising and advertising is there. So advertising agency or advertising or marketing. So for demo purposes, if you have an advertising agency, you can click, and or if you have a restaurant, you can click, or if you have a property. So there are a ton of options which you can choose from for the category. uh, Please choose the specific category of your business, so that it will be easy for the people to identify your business. So I'm going to keep this as an advertising agency. Description is nothing, it's just you can type in the details of your business or some. The demo purpose, I'm going to keep it short and simple. I'm going to type just three simple things. First, you should enter the name of the business which you are carrying out, and the second is the category, which category that is into, and the third one is a short description about your business. So after creating this, you can go on and click create page. You will get a demo in the side. It will show you how it will look as if once the page is created. So you can now add images. So the page is now created, so we can close this, and we can maybe save. I will show you the next steps to how to add the images and all. So now we have created the page, but there are few more steps which we need to carry out. So I'm going to show you first the basic things which you need to carry out after you have created a page. So first of all, we need a profile picture, so to show the name of our business or something like that, or the logo of our business. The profile picture is mainly for that purpose. So I'm going to show you how to create a logo if you don't have a logo. It's just a simple step. So there's a tool called Canva. So you can go in and you can surf. There are a lot of things which you can do in Canva. As you can see here, you can create videos, you can create Instagram posts, presentations, logos, name it. You can create it whatever you want. So I'm now going to create a logo for the demo page which I have created. So I'm going to click logo, and as you can see, it automatically gets the size of the Facebook profile picture, so it will be easy for us to edit it. So you can go here, and or you can type in marketing, so that it there is related to marketing. So yeah, yes. So we will just rename it for demo purpose. Marketing, you can, yes, marketing, and yeah, marketing demo. Yeah, that would do. Okay, so we are going to go and download this, save, and now I'm going to go to Facebook. Downloaded the design which we have created. Then we need to go to our business page, and we need to click the camera icon, so that we need to get that image here. So we need to click that profile picture, and there is an option for uploading the, yes, and it is already to the size. Click save. If you want, you can resize it, so it's up to you. So if simple, then that's fine, or if you want to resize it, you can do that. There is option in the Facebook to do that. And okay, now one step of the process is complete. We have designed a logo for our business, which is our business name. The second step is to create a Facebook cover picture for our business. Exactly. So type the competitors of your business and have a look at their own Facebook page for both the logos as well as the cover picture. So since we have created an advertising agency for our demo, so that um, I'm going to search for an advertising agency for similar to an advertising agency. So there is an advertising agency called Uplus. So I'm going to search Uplus, and you can see that they have their own logo, simple logo. The cover picture, you as you can see, there are people laughing and they are using the laptops. They are surfing the net, so which kind of symbolizes their internet marketing service in to the category which Oculus are into. So uh, after getting an idea from this, we can go in and we can like create something similar to this, so that uh, Canva again. So it is the place in which we created our logo. So we can again go in there and we can type in Facebook cover. So there are a lot of templates in which you can select anyone. So yeah, this will work. So maybe similar to them, but not exactly the same. Cup on the laptop. So born to hustle, we can edit it. Uh, One stop solution for all your marketing needs. Yes, this will work, and we can kind of move that so that there's no disturbance and people are able to read that clearly. Yeah, this will work. Maybe we can reduce the size a little bit. Yeah, fine, perfect. Okay, so we can now download it. Download. We should close this and we should go to our Facebook page, which is the demo page, and we can go to edit and upload photo, and it will ask for us to reposition that. We can kind of reposition. So yeah, so this will maybe click save changes and we are good to go. Yes, so this is a simple way to create a Facebook business page for your business, and to create a logo for your business page profile picture, and also to create a Facebook cover picture for your business. Okay guys, kindly let me know if you have any doubts regarding this. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Marketing Revealed YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.